Now it's recording.
Oh, well then I probably didn't get nothing.
You're so crazy! Ew!
I told you, he's brutified. He started out after you were through. He tries to follow her out there, and then he takes off like a bat out of hell because Brutus is coming.